For today's assignment, you will be creating a spreadsheet. This will be the first spreadsheet that you've created. So you will see that I've attached a blank spreadsheet that's titled Generation. The first thing you'll need to do is open that spreadsheet. And so you will notice that we have a grid of columns and rows. The intersection of each column and row creates what we call a cell. You're also going to notice that I have increased the size of column A to be a little bit wider, because if you look at our example, you're going to see that we need column A to be wider than the other three columns due to the data that is entered in that column. So I simply pointed to the lines between the A and the B column letters, and then I clicked when I saw that double-sided arrow, and I drag it to the right to make it larger, or I drag it to the left to make it smaller. So that's one way that you can resize columns within a spreadsheet. Now, once you are ready to enter your data, you're going to start typing it in, being sure that you skip rows if necessary. So for instance, row 2 has no data typed into the spreadsheet. Row 9 has no data typed into the spreadsheet. So I'm going to click in cell A1, and I'm going to turn on caps lock, and I'm going to type generation what? With an exclamation, with a question mark. And then I'm going to skip row 2, and I'm going to begin to type all of what I see into the correct cell, the correct row and column, or column and row. So enter all of this data, and once you have entered all of the data, be sure you proofread, spell check, and correct the data, and then turn it in when you are finished. If you have any questions, email me at smithla@whitehallsd.org.